Meaning of deplane.
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 Deplane. Deplane means to disembark or exit from an aircraft. It is the process of getting off a plane after it has landed at the destination airport. Passengers typically deplane by walking down the aircraft stairs or through a jet bridge that connects the plane to the terminal building. Once passengers have deplaned, they can then proceed to the baggage claim area, immigration and customs, or connecting flights as necessary. In summary, deplane refers to the act of leaving an aircraft safely and completing the initial stage of your journey.